What's up, what's up, what's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Ben Kabi. I don't want to waste too much time because you see this. 8 minutes left for this RocketGame Miner. By the time y'all see this, it'll probably be launched. Hopefully, you guys are seeing what's going on. If you, the AMA is playing on my phone, the pre-launch AMA. So it's 8 minutes left. Um, I'll have my link down below if you guys want to get started. This one, they don't force you to compound. They do give you a 2% bonus for compounding, and you have to unlock your referrals. So you have to like deposit at least 50% to be level one. I mean, 50 BUSD to get level one referrals, 250 BUSD to get level two referrals, or deposit 500 BUSD to get level three referrals. And I believe it's up to like 15. Wait. 13% or 14, 15%. I can't remember. But it is paying 10% daily. Seems different, innovative, looks beautiful. I know they talking. Hold on. Yeah. Hold up. I should have been having it playing on a computer. I'm tripping.
Because like the competitor thing and etc. But the reason why we're doing it is because it's known to people. They have seen the potential. Now you can only imagine what a better version of baked beans can do, right? What changes it can bring to the table, and like how Orbit Doctor said, we do not want to overpromise. Because there are chances of like under delivering. So every time we want to under promise so that we could over deliver, and the
I'm gonna
community
throw in a
will
quick
feel even
300
more
into
hype,
this.
even more
Try
stronger
to get in
towards
the
the
first
project.
second.
How it was mentioned by
Got it on my phone as
Orbit
well.
Doctor, like like we are not someone who just came to crypto space, I think, a day or two back, right? We have been successful with the previous launches. I've been there as a moderator in the community, like beautiful transparency, beautiful support from the project owners. And yeah, the only goal, the only achievement so far for us, it has been to achieving a stronger community where the community ends up praising the owners for their work and for their effort. Now, with
Never too
the
early.
Rocket game, well, of course, a fork of baked
This has a
beans,
little chase on
not
it, so
liking to with the comparison, but yeah, just for the understanding, a fork of baked bean set
gotta
up
get
in a
my
way
fingers
that
right.
yes, we did kept a few of
But
the
it's
bottlenecks
buying.
in check, wherein we like how it was told explained to you guys using BUSD and the referral commissions, and also it being a new one, so the risk is low to like minimum to none, and yeah, like we do not want to force the community to just do the 6 day and 1 day thing. We want them to actively participate in doing so. First and foremost, like there can be many reasons, right? Because eventually it is the community that drives other new investors investing into the project, like how it's currently happening with baked beans, right? So we wanted to give them a reason of why they should be doing the 6 day refuel and 1 day land thing, right? The mantra of the Rocket game. We have used it
Ooh,
more
I'm
like the
nervous.
mantra than the necessity of the project, right? It is a mantra because everyone is going to be saying it eventually once they come to what do you call it, taste the sugar that you're going to get from it just by doing the thing and then earning a 2% 2% bonus on your rockets, right? So it's a simple project with only 4 buttons. You'll have to approve, and then you'll have to see your investment growing. You'll have to be compounding, just what do you call, inducing more stability into the contract. And then in the coming days, as we move on, like as I told you, this team has a team of experienced developers. They're like always innovating, and then improving their contract, reaching out to next best thing in the market, making it better, and then incorporating in the project as well. We believe in the community, and we believe that we should take the community wherever we go. If you guys are happy with the service, if you guys are happy with the project that has been brought to you guys on the table, where all the cards have been flipped for you guys, if you're satisfied with all of that, then it will be way more easier for us to make you participate in other projects. Of course, only made better than their previous versions. Well, I think I spoke a lot already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the members of the community a chance to ask any sort of questions they have around any of the sections of the projects or whatsoever. So I will be unmuting a few of the members here in the chat and then taking questions from those members. So the first one up is M. Itch. Okay, buddy, you're free to speak. I have unmuted you. Please go ahead.
Yeah, yeah. Hi. Good luck for the launch. I just wanted to know because at the launch, gas fee is so high. So how does one tackle the high gas fee to get in?
So, well, the gas fee is like it's a BUSD launch, so that you have approved, and it's not gonna be that high, right? It's only gonna be a few cents. It's not gonna exceed like over a certain amount of dollars. So yeah, you can expect it to be in a few cents even at launch because depends on the entire blockchain, right? And the entire BSC blockchain if it's running congested or not. And at the moment, I did check out the website and the recommended fee it is around 5 GUI. So even if it's like 10 or 15, even 20, still going to be in a few cents, under a dollar. So
So okay. Thanks. Good luck for the
you're
launch.
thank you so much. Happy to have you. Now let's moving on to another member. Let's head over to.
Why they asking questions? Only 2 minutes left.
Okay,
Here
guys,
go
if you have
question.
any questions, right, we have
Just
7 minutes for launch. In about 7 minutes, we will be go for launch, guys. We will be
7
go for launch,
minutes.
setting a track limit, setting another record. Like, again,
Am I
you
tripping?
guys have been wonderful, wonderful with your participation. Well, I'm looking for raised hands in the group at the moment. And
I wonder if I should unmute.
well, there are no raised hands in the group. So if you guys have any question, whoa, my bad. So we have Hayden's. Let me quickly unmute Hayden's. There you go, my man. You have been
Hi,
unmuted.
thank you. The launch is in 2 minutes, right? You said 7.
100%. It is in 2 minutes from now.
Okay. Can I click on confirmation on MetaMask as soon as it reaches 0?
Yeah, so every time when I do that, I make sure that I refresh the page first so that everything is lined up
Okay.
correctly, and then
Okay.
I do that afterwards.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your work.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining in. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
And guys, 1 minute, 16 seconds for launch. Let me quickly head over to Indie
Talking
Crypto.
about 7 minutes. He's tripping.
Allowed to speak. You are now free to speak. Please. Indie Crypto, I have unmuted you. If you have any questions, please feel free to speak. Okay, I think we lost the connection with Indie Crypto. Moved on to the next one, Crypto Phil. Allowed to speak. You're unmuted, my man.
Let's go.
Hey, buddy. Hi. Yeah, it's Crypto Phil. By the way, the guy who was before you, he sounds just like me. A lot of people ask me in my Telegram, is Phil, is that you? I say no, but somebody somewhere. All right, we have 30 seconds. I just want to say good luck to all of us, and let's get this baby to the sun. All right, bye for now.
To the Senate. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Okay, guys. Well, won't be taking any more questions. Want you guys to focus more on the launch in about 13 seconds. 12, 11, 10,
Don't mess with
9,
me.
8. It's exactly like the countdown of the rocket, right? Now it makes more sense. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There you go, guys.
Oh my
The
God.
Rocket game is officially live. Now, yeah, just shake your wallets, secure yourself, a beautiful rocket, and then just start with the game.
I can't buy. Yeah. I'm late. Launch rockets. Come on. Whoa.
Okay, in the meantime, let's unmute the people who have raised their hands. How about
Can't get
Jacob
in.
Brzezinski? Allowed to speak.
I approve. Oh, wow. Now it shot up. That's crazy. Now I
Hey,
can do
guys,
it.
everyone is
Damn.
busy with their
Damn.
investments, which is beautiful.
31.
Contract. Oh my God. You guys are killing it in instance.
What's that?
Oh my God, you guys are literally killing it.
359,000 in a second.
365,000 BUSD staked already in the pool and growing. You guys are literally killing it. What a beautiful participation, guys.
Hello guys, I'm back here.
41.
We just launched. Be sure to get in right now. It's the first 30 seconds of the launch. Oh my God, we have
40
already more than 425,000 USD in the contract within 40 seconds, guys. This is not normal. I was telling you, this contract is going to a couple millions at least. We are now in the first
What?
minute, guys. So
400,000.
be sure to join now. We launched, we did it fairly at 16:30. We opened everything and people just aped in like there is no tomorrow. Crazy launch, guys. Crazy launch. I want to congratulate you all. And crazy, guys.
half
We
a
just-
million.
Yeah.
Half a million in about a minute. That's crazy.
500,000.
That's
Oh my
crazy.
God! If you guys
Holy
not in
shit.
this, yo.
Yeah, I'm stunned, guys. Very nice. Very nice.
Oh
It's a
yeah, I
beautiful
forgot.
launch.
I
It's a
forgot
beautiful
I'm
launch,
recording.
beautiful
I'm going back and
participation
forth,
from
back
you
and forth.
guys. 534,000 BUSD stake already and growing.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut this
Well,
video
it has
short,
only
guys.
been
I
2
want y'all
minutes
to
since
get
we
on
launched,
this.
so
Get
yeah,
on this. I might
there's a
just
lot to
post this
come.
right
And
now.
then, yes,
I ain't
we
wasting
did
no
have
more
an
time. Let's
insight
go.
looking at your
Bullpen
participation
Millionaire link down
from
below.
the
The
group
link for
chat
RocketGame
that
Miner
you
down
guys are
below.
going to
Let's get
take
it.
it to Saturn along with the community.
Remember, this is not
Appreciate your
financial advice.
participation. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful.
I get here to
Congratulations.
entertain. And all of this is entertainment.